Rise and shine, my friends seekers of inspiration. You've just landed on HT Inspired, the hub of positivity and motivation. I hope you've brought your enthusiasm because today, we're embarking on a journey that will ignite the fire within you. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel and tapping that notification bell so you become part of our vibrant community. Now, let's kickstart this adventure and let inspiration lead the way. In the realm of business and innovation, few names evoke as much admiration and fascination as Elon Musk. As a visionary entrepreneur, Musk has revolutionized multiple industries, from electric vehicles and space exploration to renewable energy and artificial intelligence. This article delves into the inspirational story of Elon Musk, highlighting his remarkable journey, his entrepreneurial spirit, and the lessons we can learn from his relentless pursuit of ambitious goals. 1. Early life and education. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa. From an early age, he showed signs of exceptional intelligence and a passion for technology. Musk's entrepreneurial drive became evident when he started his first business at the age of 12, selling a video game he had programmed called Blaster. After completing his education in South Africa, Musk ventured to the United States to pursue higher education. 2. Co-founding Zip2 and X.com, later PayPal. In 1995, Musk co-founded Zip2, a software company that provided business directories and maps for newspapers. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks, Zip2 found success and was eventually acquired for $307 million. Musk then moved on to co-found X.com, an online payment company that would later become PayPal. His dedication to delivering exceptional user experiences and innovative solutions led to the company's rapid growth and subsequent acquisition by eBay. 3. Revolutionizing the automotive industry with Tesla. Elon Musk's relentless pursuit of his vision for sustainable transportation led to the founding of Tesla Motors in 2003. Musk bet on electric vehicles when the industry was skeptical, and he poured his resources and energy into making Tesla a game-changer. Despite facing financial hurdles and skepticism, Tesla persevered, and today it is a leading manufacturer of electric vehicles, driving the global transition towards sustainable transportation. 4. SpaceX, pushing the boundaries of space exploration. Musk's passion for space exploration and his desire to make humanity an interplanetary species led to the creation of SpaceX in 2002. The company aimed to reduce the cost of space travel and make it possible for humans to live on other planets. SpaceX achieved significant milestones, such as the development of reusable rockets and the successful launching of Falcon Heavy, the most powerful operational rocket in the world. 5. Solar City and renewable energy. Musk's commitment to combating climate change and promoting renewable energy led him to co-found Solar City in 2006. The company specializes in solar energy products and services, including solar panels and energy storage solutions. Musk's vision for a sustainable future extends beyond individual companies, as he believes in creating an integrated ecosystem where Tesla, SpaceX, and Solar City work together synergistically. 6. The Boring Company and Hyperloop. In 2016, Musk founded the Boring Company with the goal of revolutionizing transportation by building tunnels beneath major cities to alleviate traffic congestion. Additionally, Musk conceptualized the Hyperloop, a high-speed transportation system that uses low-pressure tubes to transport passengers at near-supersonic speeds. These ambitious projects showcase Musk's ability to think outside the box and challenge conventional norms. 7. Neuralink and AI advancements. Elon Musk's latest venture, Neuralink, focuses on developing implantable brain-machine interfaces to merge human intelligence with artificial intelligence. The company aims to enhance human cognitive abilities and address potential risks associated with future AI advancements. Musk's interest in AI safety and ethics demonstrates his commitment to shaping the future of technology responsibly. Conclusion. Elon Musk's inspirational story serves as a testament to the power of vision, perseverance, and boldness. From his early ventures to his current groundbreaking projects, Musk continues to redefine industries and inspire individuals around the world. His story reminds us that with passion, determination, and a willingness to challenge the status quo, we too can make a profound impact on the world. As we navigate the future, let us draw inspiration from Elon Musk's extraordinary journey and strive to create a better, more innovative, and sustainable tomorrow. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more uplifting content. Click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future videos. Thank you for being a part of our community.